I hope so that you are good at your home and safe from the corona, and your family is also safe from the corona. Friends, today I came with a new concept, that is upon the cubes. Friends, today I will show you how to make a 6-dot pattern in 3x3 Rubik's cube or any big Rubik's cube. Let's get started. Friends, for making a 6-dot pattern, you need to notice these concepts or learn these concepts. First concept, left layer, then right layer and middle layer. The left layer is that layer that is on your left hand side. The right layer is that layer that is on your right hand side. And the middle layer is that layer that is between the right and left layer. This. Left layer, right layer, middle layer. Friends, let's make a 6-dot pattern. You need to take any side and move its middle layer upside, then rotate it towards right. You can see blue, then right. Then again move the middle layer up, then again rotate it towards right and move the middle layer up, then again rotate towards right and move the middle layer up. So friends, you can see our 6-dot pattern is ready. Friends, for going back into the solved situation, you need to do what? There are two situations and there are different methods from them. First situation, you know the place where you started. This is the place where I started making the 6-dot pattern. So you need to do, take that place position and left layer down, rotate it towards left, left layer down, rotate towards left, left layer down, rotate towards left, left layer down. So friends, you can see our situation, that solved state is back. Friends, there is another situation when you forgot the place where you started. Like I forgot the place, but you know I started from the green. So what you need to do? Right layer up and left layer up. This. Take this area and right layer up, left layer up. So you can see this is not matching. Then again do it. Left layer up, right layer. So you can see a I or H. Then you can see these two edges. You need to match these two edges with its middle piece. White edges to white middle piece. So then right layer up, left layer up. So you can see you got a line. Then these two edges need to match with their middle piece. Then right layer up, left layer up. Then again you got these two edges. Right layer up, left layer up. So friends, your solved situation is back. Friends, this is a very easy way to make this and enjoy the cubes. So friends, I will meet you in my next fun video. Till then, bye, and please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos and comment on my cube video. And please press the bell button so that you will receive my all new videos. So friends, bye friends.